Today we replace the optical drive in a MacBook Pro 17-inch unibody. You need a replacement optical drive, Phillips 00, T6 Torx, spudger, and grounding strap. Power down, disconnect battery, and wear an anti-static wrist strap. Remove the lower case by unscrewing 10 screws with Phillips 00. Disconnect the battery connector to prevent shorts before touching internals. Remove the Torx screws securing the optical drive and slide it out gently. Carefully peel back the display cable and detach the drive flex cable. Insert the new optical drive, seat it flush, and align mounting holes. Reinstall screws, Torx to 0.4 to 0.6 Newton meters, Phillips hand tight only. Reconnect the battery, reattach the lower case, then power on to test the drive. Checklist: replacement drive, screws, Phillips 00, T6 Torx, spudger, grounding strap. If drive fails, reseat cables, try pram reset, or check screw alignment.